My honest review on these water flossers are that they're great water flossers, but they do break down. When I was rebuying this again, I ended up seeing lots of people saying, do not buy it, it's a waste of money. They're great for traveling. Sometimes if you do hold them certain ways, they will leak, but they're not supposed to be all flimsy holding them upside down. They're great water flossers, but just beware. I had to buy another one. So, great price, great everything, but they break. So if you want to buy another water flosser, go ahead, but I recommend buying a higher quality one.